Hi friends, I'm Tylee with Baratza support and I'm here to show you how to clean your Encore ESP Pro. Step by step, no stress. We'll show you how to remove the hopper, the quick release knob, the ring burr and holder, and the grind setting collar. And if you're looking to do a deeper clean, I'll show you how to take out the lower comb burr to access the paddle wheel. Alright, first things first, make sure your grinder is unplugged. Safety always comes first. If you're using the shut-off hopper, just rotate it to the locked position and lift it straight off. Not using the shut-off hopper, just lift the lid on the grind setting collar. Now's a good time to pour out any leftover coffee before we dive into the cleaning. For quick, regular cleaning, all you really need is the cleaning brush. But I recommend using a microfiber cloth or a paper towel to give the hopper a good wipe and keep things fresh. If you want to go a little deeper, you can hand wash the hopper, the grounds bin, the dosing cup, and the dosing cup base with warm soapy water. Please don't wash your burrs or any internal components. And whatever you do, don't put any parts in the dishwasher. That being said, let's go ahead and remove the grind setting collar. Start by turning the grind setting collar counterclockwise until the indicator lines on the grind setting collar and the grinder case line up. You'll hear it click and you'll feel the collar disengaged. From there, you can just lift it up, smooth and simple. Now let's get into the grinder itself. The ESP Pro quick release knob is reverse threaded, so a simple clockwise twist will get it free. But if it's a bit tight, we suggest using a cloth and a pair of pliers to get it free. Simply rotate it clockwise. You'll feel it disengaged and continue releasing as you turn. The quick release knob can now be lifted out and you can take out the flow control disc that's underneath. You'll notice a silver handle on the burr holder. Lift it up and pull straight upward. If it feels snug, a gentle wiggle can help release it. This frees the ring burr from your grinder so you can clean any coffee buildup using the cleaning brush. With the ring burr and holder out of your grinder, use the same brush to gently get grounds off the lower comb burr. You can flip the grinder upside down to help get the grounds out. But don't forget about the lower comb burr. Flip that brush upside down and use the handle to clean out the chute from the top. Flip the brush back around to gently clear out the chute from the bottom. Ready to go the extra mile? Let's pop out the comb burr to access the paddle wheel and the grind chamber for an extra thorough clean. No tools are needed to lift the comb burr up. Just get a good hold of the burr and pull straight up. It should lift out pretty smoothly. Next, remove the paddle wheel, the metal drive shim, and the felt ring. These parts can be a bit tricky to grasp. To make this process easier, use tweezers or needle-nose pliers to lift these parts straight up. On the inside of the felt ring, there are two thin shims which may be stuck together. You can leave the shims inside your grinder while you clean, or you can take them out. Just make sure not to lose them. Take out the felt ring. From there, use a soft brush or a microfiber towel to gently clean the lower chamber, chute, and the paddle wheel itself. You can flip the grinder upside down to help get the grounds out, but don't forget about the shims. Once everything is clean, you can reassemble it in reverse order. To begin reassembly, make sure both lower shims are in place, followed by the felt ring. Next, check that the metal drive shim is still seated inside the paddle wheel. If it's not, make sure the two bumps on the drive shim line up with the two holes inside the paddle wheel. Line up the paddle wheel with the shape of the drive shaft and press it so it's fully seated. Now you can line up the cone burr with the paddle wheel, making sure that the two holes on the cone burr line up with the two bumps on the paddle wheel. Then wiggle everything into place. Next, install the ring burr and holder. Each alignment fin is a different size, so it only fits one way. Use the lip of the silver handle on the burr holder and align it with the line on the metal adjustment ring. You'll feel it sit in place and you can press down gently. Now align the flow control disc flat side up so it fits on the drive shaft. Add your quick release knob and rotate the knob counterclockwise until it stops. Finger tight is fine. Line up the grind setting collar with the line on the grinder body. The 3 notches on the bottom will only fit one way. You can press down and rotate the grind setting collar to your preferred grind setting, anywhere below 60. Place your preferred hopper on top. If you're using the shut-off hopper, make sure to unlock it so the beans can flow freely. Now, plug your grinder back in, and you're ready for your next grind. Your cleaning frequency really depends on how oily your coffee is and how often you grind coffee, but consistent cleaning keeps your grinder performing at its best. For any troubleshooting tips or if you have any questions, please reach out to Baratza support. Thanks for watching. Happy grinding. Baratza, well grounded for over 25 years.